So what exactly is an event? Well, an event is basically just the browser letting us know that something has happened. Well, what is something? Well, something might be the user clicks, the user focuses on an element, the user types something into a text field that the value of a text field changes and you want to react to that. So one thing, or the way that I like to think about events are things that I want to react to. I'm waiting for the user to do X, and when they do, I want to have this action take place. The other thing to know about events is that it doesn't just let you know when something happened. Each event will provide details about the event. So, for example, if the user clicks on the screen somewhere, it's actually going to give you kind of the X and Y coordinates on the screen, kind of where that happened. If the user presses a key, the browser will let you know which key was pressed. So depending on the event, you'll get some different contextual information that'll help you deal with or handle that event. So I want you to just think about this with me for a moment. So how would it be possible for us as application developers to detect, like, how would you write the code to know when something has happened? And one way that you could approach this is, like, let's just think about, look at that finger and it's pressing down a key, and we want to monitor when exactly that key has been pressed. Well, one way that you could do it is you could write a loop, like essentially an infinite loop that's just sitting there and waiting and saying, is Y pressed? No. Is Y pressed? No. Is Y pressed? No. Is Y pressed? Oh, it is. Let me go ahead and do something. And I hope that that is pretty obvious that that's an extremely inefficient system. So we can't just write these while loops checking state all of the time because it's inefficient. So what we need to do is we need to let the browser know which events we happen to be interested in for our application. And so we need to pick a different event, or pick a specific event that we want to listen to, click, change, key press. And then we're also going to, when we register this listener, we're also going to say, and by the way, this is the code or the function that I want you to execute when this happens. Maybe I'm going to refresh a report, say, or maybe I might hide or show something on the screen.